Yes, guys, welcome back to my channel. Please do like and subscribe to this video if you like it. Please make sure you hit the notification bell. So let's just hit right into the tutorial. Today we'll be needing a pattern, a baby t-shirt, normal regular t-shirt you have, any old one that fits properly. Then you just turn it inside out. You need the scissors, a pen to mark it out. Okay, so you turn it inside out normally, and then inside out you fold it into two. Just arrange it properly like this, understand? Then you take a pen and just draft around it just the way it is. Draw from back to front. You see, this is the one part, understand? This is the back piece we are drawing cut now. So you just mark it out like that. You fold in the out so you can be able to get the armholes properly. Then you just mark it round just like the way it is. It's a very easy DIY. Anyone can do this. So easy. I mean easy. You don't need to start taking pen and paper. No, this is so easy. So what you do now is to increase it by 1 inch, bring it down a bit, so you can be able, so that after you fold it, it will not be too short. It won't jump. So once you just increase, add it 1 inch, and then you cut it out. So still easy. So let's do the cutting now. Just follow through the process. If you don't understand, you can go over it over and over again. I believe you're gonna understand it. Okay, yeah, that's it. So right now we just draft out the back piece, the front piece, sorry. So you put the front like that, and then the only thing we need is the neck. You just put it and you cut out the neck, just just the front like that. You map out the front and then you cut it out. That's for the front piece. So you just differentiate it like right in the front and the back, so you don't mess everything up. You get, yeah. So now it's time to cut. Let's go over to the cutting process. So guys, this is the sleeve part. We're going to be cutting out the sleeve. Okay, so that's basically it. Just fold it, flip it over, and then mark it out just like that. All the samples are there. Just follow suitly. You understand what I'm saying? So that's it, guys. So watch out for the part 2 of how we'll sew, put everything together and sew it. Please, if you like the video, just subscribe, like my video, and comment down below on what tutorial you want me to do next. Thank you.